This is the Shantui DH17 Bulldozer with 188 horsepower. This is not a review of a brand new machine. This one's got 600 hours under the belt. We're in the forest. We're doing serious dozing. Let's find out what it's like. Now, I spoke about under the bonnet. The engine is a diesel engine made by Weichai. We don't know about Weichai over here in Australia, but in China, they're the largest manufacturer of diesel motors and they're world renowned in the marine scene. They also make a lot of plant equipment and a lot of plant motors. And the hydraulics are German Lind hydraulics, which are owned by Weichai, one of the largest manufacturers, as I said, of plant machinery in the world. So you're getting some decent gear with the Shantui Bulldozer. The track grounding length is just under 2.7 meters. So to find out what this machine's like, let's put the keys in the hands of an expert and get him to do all the work. Mitch, how you going, mate?
Good, mate. Yourself?
Thanks for having us out.
Ah, no dramas at all.
You come from a forestry background. You got into that out of high school.
Yep, that's correct. Yep.
Yeah, and you just worked hard and got all your tickets, and you've spent over a decade in the forestry industry.
Yep, that's correct.
Then they went and shut it down overnight, put a lot of people out of work. You were one of the lucky ones that was able to transition across to forest fire management.
Yep, that's correct. Yep.
It's a pretty tough thing.
Definitely was, yeah. Come from, love the timber industry and love working in the bush, and yeah.
Well, at least you can continue working in the bush and looking after it, mate, as you were when you were in the timber industry, and kudos for that. Yep. You've been on a number of name brand bulldozers. You've spent quite a few hours now on the Shantui. This has done just over 600 hours and it's due for a service.
Yep.
Have you had any problems with this so far?
Nah, it's been pretty good. Yeah, we've done a couple of basic hoses and yeah.
Yeah, with the stuff you do, it's no wonder you blew some flaming hoses, mate. Were the parts easy to get?
Yeah, they were. Yeah, we sourced parts pretty quick and yeah, got it back working. So
it's a fairly universal platform. You can get parts pretty easily for these things.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Now, you're coming up for the 600-hour service. You haven't had any problems. Are the controls any different to other bulldozers out there?
Definitely different. Pros and cons for each individual dozer, but yeah.
So if people are looking for a good value for money dozer, mate, this might actually be a good option for them.
Bang for buck, you probably can't go wrong.
Yeah. Well, mate, I'm not going to get too much more in your hair. I'm going to let you keep going.
Yep.
Thanks very much for having us out here. I've learned a thing or two watching you, mate. And good luck for the future, and thank you for looking after our forests.
No worries at all.
Guys, if you like this kind of video and you're interested in these sort of machines, hit the little subscribe button and send this video to someone who should probably rethink their dozer.